Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I have two amazing and very unique applications for you, and I'm sure you will surely like it because you haven't seen these website before as well. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and get the notification of new applications and the website. Now the first website I have in my list is appetize.io. Yes, that is an amazing and very unique website for you, and you will surely like it because on this website you can able to make your phone an Apple phone. It doesn't matter whether you are using an Android phone or a iOS phone. You can simply click on this try online demo, and the moment you do that you will be reaching on this page and you will be getting an Apple phone right in front of you, and you can able to use it on your phone. And there are so many of things you can do it. On the bottom you will be getting so many of models of iPhone. You can see here that's a 5s, 6s, 7 plus, X Max, 11, all models you will be getting on this website. Simply have to click on this tap to play, and it will take some time to start your Apple phone on your phone. And here it is. You can see here the Apple phone on my phone is ready right now. The first of all I will be getting the Wikipedia. On this Wikipedia I can able to search anything. I can simply type here on the top like India, and I will be getting all the information about India on this application. When I press the home button on the bottom, I will be reaching on the home page, and on the home page I will be getting all the application, and it will work similar as it is a Apple phone. And not only this, you can enjoy all the models of Apple phone. On the bottom you can see this is 11 Pro Max, this is 11 Pro, 12 Pro, 14 Pro is also available here. Simply you have to click on tap to play and it will automatically get started. So this is an amazing website. You must try this one on your phone and enjoy the Apple phone in your Android phone. So try this one, that is appetize.io. Now let's talk about the second website, which is also very amazing and you will surely like it. And the name of the website is bouncingballs.org. Yes, simply click on this begin bouncing and then you will be reaching on this page here. Now what exactly this will do? First of all, you have to press this microphone. You have to turn it on your website, and whenever you speak anything with your voice, these balls will automatically bounce. Let me show you. See this, these are the options. You will be getting some plastic balls here, and you will also get some emoji here. You can change it to the numbers, or you can also change it to the bubbles as well and the eyeballs. So these are the options you will be getting, which will bounce whenever you speak anything. From your microphone, your voice will hit on these balls and it will automatically start bouncing with your voice. And trust me, right now I have connected my microphone with the phone. This is the reason it's not bouncing, but the moment you start using your phone on this website, and it will automatically bounce, and it looks really amazing on this application. You can also show this website to your kids as well. They will also like it and they will spend a good time on this website. This is a totally unique and very interesting website. So these are the two websites I have right now for you. I hope you like both of them. Any question related to this, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.